Oh, morning guys. I'm back with another vlog, and since Kasu already, and we are dismantling all the stuff. So here she is. So let me carry it to the town. Hello guys. Welcome to my another vlog, and it's already 11 a.m. and actually since Kasu already and with my sibling and as well as with my villagers, we are dismantling all the setup. So I just want to show you my daily routine. So let's proceed with our vlog, and finally with your love and support, we finally hit 700 subscribers and only 300 more to go to hit 1000 subscribers. So I just want to request you, like you have supported me, try to share with your friends and your nearest one, so that we can hit 1000 subscriber before I return Dimapur. Actually I will return in around 15 16 something like that. So I hope you guys will support me. So without delay, let's proceed with our vlogs, and I'll just show you my village. You guys can see her. She is sister Chumila, and she also working too hard, and all the villagers are also helping us. You guys can see the pillows and as well as a blanket and all, and some are busy in dismantling the flags and all. And you guys can see my sister, you tomorrow you just go to town and you sell out all the things again.
Sure.
Yeah. And she's here now, and let me carry this. Okay, I thought to carry that one, but let me carry the bigger one. So let's see how let's carry this. So it's too light. Cut limit cut limit. It's too light. So I think I can carry 3 or 4 in one go. So how is your money?
It's good.
It's good.
Yes.
Do you know that we finally hit 700 subscribers?
Yeah, I don't know.
How do you feel?
Very happy.
Okay. Sister. No, let me ask you. Finally we hit 700 subscribers.
Wow,
so what do you want to say regarding that? You say something to our subscribers or to our audience?
We want to say thank you so much for 700 subscribers. You will be expecting more than it. That's all.
And
why are you happy? Because my brother has reached 700 subscribers, and thanks to and thanks to all the subscribers to support my brother. And thank you. Actually, he got 500, so he's very happy. Guys.
no, actually again, the visitor they gave all my siblings 500.
Only bought.
I thought
going to share.
So the youngest one and the
Oh.
second younger one, they have gave 500. So because of that, both of them look so happy. So but it's okay. After some hours too, we are going to Kifri and we will be having chow and all that. So you guys can see all the villagers are dismantling them. actually her wife is laughing at you. First couple of the year. First couple of the year.
Yeah.
Actually, Kat's dad looks so timid. It's okay. For fun only. For fun only. We did it. We will be busy. Yeah, imagine. So let's go. So you guys can see we are trying our best to dismantle before it's before reach 1 p.m. So let's check out. And guys, please comment me my camera stabilization so that I can upgrade it. hope it is stable enough now. Because the previous days I used to vlog from my phone, so I just want to check whether the phone is stable or not. But you guys have comment me that the stabilization is not good, so I'm trying my best to vlog through my action camera. So let's help my sister. So you guys can see we already dismantled all the flags also. You can see that colorful. Looks awesome. Actually, right now my younger brother, the counting process is going on whether we have lost any of our things or not. So I just want to show you something. So 4 days, 2 days I think we didn't wash our family. We didn't wash our. We have collected our clothes. So right now my dad he went to town and he brought 5 washing machine. So led by Hatsi. They look so hardworking. After I get my scholarship, 1 rupees. So thankful to them for taking up this opportunity in order to wash. Not responsibility, but out of force or no option left. If they don't help you, means you are going to wash alone. Keep that in mind.
If they are not helping you, even you are gonna help me.
No, that's impossible. See, Akem brother has
I have them.
brought another one.
I'm helping them.
He also kawash. You check, money will be there. Sometimes it used to be there.
You look normal, but here 500 is okay.
Yeah. Morning he gone. He received from the visitors.
They are party.
Yeah, party. For today and tomorrow. After finishing, no party. Check it. Sometimes, hey, if you are lucky enough, means you will get. So our washing machine are too slow.
So let's be continuing there.
Yeah, this is advanced technology.
This is the sweater which we wear. I didn't wear.
So much, it's okay. You just wash it now.
What?
You just apply soap. That's all. No need to waste your time.
Right there.
See, you guys can see mountain of clothes. Oh. Again, younger brother is bringing another. I thought he would bring. Oh, I thought you would bring. And the elders, the women societies are talking about some crucial topic. Azaba mom is a hilarious woman. Yeah, this is. And my younger brother is busy in dismantling the flags and all. And right now my younger brother, he wants to say something, so I just give him a time.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for supporting. We have reached 700 subscribers with your support, so keep supporting. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so please keep supporting, and we need your support so to grow our channel. It's not my channel only, particular channel, but we will try our best to grow together, and after earning from the YouTube we will do giveaway also. My younger brother, he have lots of money, so he will next giveaway will be done by my younger brother. So be ready, brother. At least 5,000. 5,000. I think he's ready. Because of that, he's giving us a good smile. Now, Azaba mom, she's going to share you some English dictionary. She graduated from the Oxford University. Actually, they didn't mean not to record the video, but so what? No, it's not illegal. It's legal.
Sir, school do khala kana na khala ka
It's already 30 minutes over, but till now the washing process is going on. So heartbroken pairs.
Five materials.
Yeah. Papa ki bariya. Papa ki bariya materials. So you guys can see the Zingi River, and you can see the Kifri Dam, and I think that is Palungar village. And I want to show you this part because Saramati mountain is visible from here, but it's too down, so it's not visible from my particular village, but it's visible from the Kifri village. Kifri village is there. So brother Rojumung and my younger brother, they seems to be busy. You will get another slipper. You will get another slipper. At least 10 years warranty one. You have 3 slipper?
Yeah.
We have only 1 slipper, guys. See, I have 2 only. That also is 200 rupees. And my younger brother slipper, I think it goes to 150 na something na. Yeah, 150 something. Yeah, 100. And my younger sister, I think the cost of this slipper is I think 1,000.
300.
Don't jokes.
Only 300, not more.
No, it's definitely 1,000. See, it's very costly, that's why. And this is
I want 500.
no 150.
No.
Guys, before I went down with my dad and with my younger brother and with my cousin bro, because we have some crucial work, so just now only returned, but I don't have any other things to vlog, so I have updated the new video. And if you guys love my videos and my vlog, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends so that we can reach 1,000 subscribers. So see you in another vlog.